Hi, hello, my dear students. Welcome to my video lecture class. Today I am going to discuss this equations of motion. We had four equations. First, second, we discussed in previous lecture. Now I discuss third equations of motion. What is third equation of motion now? Third equation of motion is v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Third equation of motion is v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Well, the third equation v square minus u square is equal to 2as. How to derive this one? Derivation. Here distance s is equal to average velocity or mean velocity into time. Mean velocity into time. This formula is important. Here distance s is equal to mean velocity means v plus u by 2 into time is here t. So then observe now, if you take any derivation, simple thing here, what is given parameters? That is important. What is given parameters here? V, u, a, s. In this formula, s is, we want s here, we want a, v, u. Here v we want, u you want, here t. We don't want t here in this derivation. That means we should eliminate t here. This is very important. We have to solve any derivations. What are the parameters we want? First observe. After observing, what we need to eliminate? Observe. Here t is, we don't use this t in this formula. That's why we need to eliminate t here. How to eliminate t here? We know that from first equation of motion. What is from first equation of motion? From first equation of motion, v is equal to u plus at. V is equal to u plus at here. So here t is equal to, because we eliminate t value here, t is equal to v minus u by a. T is equal to v minus u by a. Substitute here v plus u by 2 into t means v minus u by a. So this is a t value here. So from this, observe carefully, a plus b into a minus b. From mathematics, a plus b into a minus b, that is equal to, we apply a square minus b square. From mathematics, a plus b into a minus b formula, a square minus b square here. That means v plus u into v minus u. We got here v square minus u square by 2 into a, 2a here. So this is equal to s. From this, what we got now? From this, v square minus u square is equal to 2a into s, 2as. That means v square minus u square is equal to 2as. This is a third equation of motion here. So in this third equation, we got here given final velocity, initial velocity, acceleration, distance traveled by body. So now, we discuss this third equation. So now I am going to discuss one example problem based upon this equation. So then you got a clear idea about this equation, how the problems are asked based upon this equation. So now, example number 3. Already in previous lectures, so we discussed example number 1 based upon first equation of motion, example number 2 based upon second equation of motion. So now I take here example 3 based upon third equation of motion. Example 3, what is the question here? If a car starts from rest and it travels with acceleration. It travels with acceleration. 10 meter per second square. 10 meter per second square. And total distance covered by car is 50 kilometers. Then find final velocity of car. Find final velocity of car. So this is the question. Observe friends, here what is given data? If a car is there, starts from rest, that means that it starts from rest. So if any body starts from rest, that means you should take initial velocity u is equal to 0, time t is equal to 0. Initial time t is equal to 0. Starts from rest. This is very important. If any question, so body starts from rest means should take initial velocity u is equal to 0. Initial velocity u is equal to 0 here. So initial velocity u is 0 and it travels with acceleration 10 meter per second square. And total distance covered by car is 50 kilometers. Then find the final velocity of car. So given data, car starts from rest, that means initial velocity is 0. It traveled with acceleration is 10 meter per second square. Acceleration 10 meter per second square. Total distance covered by car is 50 kilometers. Then find final velocity of car. So here what parameters are given? U is given, A is given, S is given. We need to find. Simple friends. Already I told in previous lecture. If any question is given, just you observe given data. What are the given data here? Given data, U is given, A is given, S is given. We need to find. This all parameters are exist in which equation? That is important. This all parameters are exist in this equation or not? Observe carefully. V, U, A, S. This all are exist in this equation or not? That's why we apply here third equation here. So third equation, V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. 2AS here. V means V square. We need to find V only. V square. U square means 0 square here. 2 into acceleration is 10 here. 10 into distance is 50 kilometers. How we should take here? So convert into meters here. 50 into 10 cube meters, because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So 50 into 10 cube meters. So we got here V square is equal to 2 into 10, 20. 20 into, first of all 2 into 5, 10. 2 into 50, 100. 100 into 10 into 10 cube. So these all are 10 square. This is a 10 square into 10 cube. A power m into A power n. So we got A power m plus n. Basis is same. Then we add powers according to mathematics. Basis is same. We add powers. That means 10 power square 2 plus 10 power 1 here. 1 plus 3. What we got here? 10 power 6 here. So 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6. So we got V square is equal to 10 power 6. That means V is equal to root 10 power 6. Root 10 power 6 means 10 power 6 whole power 1 by 2. Square root means we should take 1 by 2. This is very important. Square root means you should take whole power 1 by 2. Cube root means you should take 1 by 3. That means here square root is there. Whole power 1 by 2 I am taking. Then what we got here? 2 how many times? 3 times here. So we got 10 cube meter per second. So what is final velocity he attained by car here? 10 cube meter per second. That means answer for this question is final velocity is equal to 1000 meter per second. 1000 meter per second here. Right? What is given question here? In the given data we got here u is equal to 0, a is equal to 10 meter per second square, s is equal to 50 kilometers. Kilometer is first converted into meters. After conversion we need to find here final velocity. Like this we had here 4 parameters u, a, s, v. Like this 4 parameters is given, we should choose a third equation because third equation should contains v, u, a, s. Observe carefully. First equation contains v is equal to u plus at. That means it should contains v, u, at. These 4 parameters. V, u, at relation is given. You should apply first equation. Second equation. S is equal to ut plus half at square. Ut plus half at square. This is a relation between s, u, at. S, u, at is given. You should choose second equation. In this s, u, at, 3 parameters are given in the question. We should find fourth unknown parameter which we need to find. Any 3 parameters as given, unknown parameter we must find in the question. Now in this v, u, a, s, like this 4 parameters is given, we apply here third equation here. So by observing the data, what is given data and what formula we should choose, this is very important. Based upon given data we should choose the formula and apply that formula. We got answer for this question. I hope you are all understood this video. So thank you.